The first stop says that the carbon filter life is worn out. To solve it, first take the cover off. Then you can gain access to the pre-filter and proceed to lift it off. Disconnect the filter tube from the quick coupling on the metal sheet. Now, you are able to replace the HEPA and carbon filters. Make sure the filter ribs mate with the corresponding slots. Then, connect the filter tube to the quick coupling placed on the metal sheet. Now, put the cover back on. Finally, don't forget to execute the reset function. If problem not solved, contact with technical support department at jbctools.com/jbcsupport.html.